Parts of the house. This is a fence. These are walls. This is a basement. This is a roof. This is a chimney. This is an attic. These are windows. These are shutters. This is a door. This is a porch. These are stairs. This is a balcony. These are paths. This is a garage. This is a driveway. This is a garden. This is a swimming pool. Rooms in the house. This is a bedroom. This is a laundry room. This is a bathroom. This is a living room. This is a hallway. This is a dining room. This is a kitchen. House objects and furniture. Living room. This is a wall. This is a floor. This is a window. These are curtains. This is a carpet. This is a sofa. This is a cushion. This is a table. This is an armchair. This is a chandelier. This is a picture. This is a television cabinet. This is a television. This is a speaker. This is a remote control. This is a clock. This is a bookshelf. This is an air conditioner. Bedroom. This is a bed. This is a pillow. This is a blanket. This is a wardrobe. This is a bedside table. This is a lamp. This is a poster. This is a rug. Bathroom. This is a shower. This is a sink. This is soap. This is a mirror. These are lights. This is a towel. This is a toilet. This is toilet paper. This is a bathtub. This is a bath mat. This is a shelf. This is a toothbrush. This is toothpaste. This is shampoo. This is a comb. This is a hairbrush. This is a hairdryer. This is a toilet brush. This is a sponge. Laundry room. This is a washing machine. This is a laundry basket. This is an ironing board. This is an iron. This is a vacuum cleaner. This is a mop. This is a broom. This is a dustpan. Study. This is a desk. This is a chair. This is a desk lamp. This is a keyboard. This is a monitor. This is a laptop. This is a corkboard. This is a calendar. These are drawers. This is a shelf. These are books. This is a printer. These are file racks. This is a folder. This is a clipboard. This is a trash bin. Kitchen. This is a sink. This is a stove. This is an oven. This is a dishwasher. This is a microwave. This is a refrigerator. This is a cabinet. This is a glass hanger. This is a chopping board. This is a pot. This is a kettle. This is a cup. This is a counter. These are dishes. This is a knife stand. This is a blender. This is a table. This is a napkin. This is a glass. This is a salt shaker. This is a tray. This is a baking tray. This is a plate rack. Please like, subscribe and share to your friends now.